Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about mutual funds. So in my prior videos I have discussed about what is fund accounting, and also I have discussed about how to calculate NAV and different concepts of fund accounting. But then I thought if you are really keen to make a career in fund accounting, the first thing you should know is what is a fund or what is a mutual fund, what are the benefits of mutual funds, what are the different kinds of mutual fund you can see. So my today video will be on the basic concept, which is what is a mutual fund. And so people who are interested in building a career in fund accounting, for them this video is going to be useful. And also for someone who is not looking a career into fund accounting, yet they are interested to know just the basic that what is a mutual fund, when I always come across with this term, for them also I believe this video is going to be helpful. So let's start with the video. So today, before I go into the definition or the jargons of what is a mutual fund, let me start this with a example, with an easy example. So let's say that there is a big box of biscuit with 100 biscuit packet. So there is one box with 100 biscuits. Price of this biscuit box is $400. Now let's think that the shopkeeper is going to sell this one box. He is not going to sell individual biscuits. Now there are 10 friends. They have $40 each. They are willing to buy this biscuits, but they don't have altogether $400. Then what they are going to do? They are going to come together and they are going to contribute $40 which they had, all 10 of them. So they will have $400 and they are going to buy that whole box together. And then what they are going to do, once they got the whole box, they are going to now distribute the biscuits among themselves. So the 100 biscuit as per the contribution. So in this example, they have all contributed equally $40 each. So all of them going to get 100 biscuits packet each. So now if we pull this example, convert it into the mutual fund concept, now see this one box, let's assume it as this is the mutual fund. This 10 friends, they are the investor. This $40 is the individual contributor, whatever amount they have. This 10 biscuit can be converted into the mutual fund unit, which is going to be given to the each individual investor. And now if I think of it, when my 100 biscuit, in my this example 100 biscuit is $400, then what is the individual biscuit packet price? So it is going to be 4 $4. So this is going to be the NAV if we convert it into the mutual fund. So now let me put this into the mutual fund definition. A mutual fund is a company or a trust that pools the money from many investors. See, this is what happened here. That pools the money from many investors, and then they invest that into the different stocks and bond and short-term debts depending on the mutual fund structure. And then this combination of the holding which they have, they're investing in equity or they're investing in bond or they're investing in short term debt, that is going to be the portfolio of the mutual fund. And the income generated from this collective investment is distributed proportionately among the investor after they deduct the applicable expenses. And each share is going to be priced at the NAV, which is the net asset value. I have a separate video on how to calculate NAV. You can go and check that. That is going to be helpful for you to understand how NAV is calculated. So this is the main concept of mutual fund. So there are few points to remember when we look at mutual fund. First point is it is a financial vehicle. Why it is a financial vehicle? Because uh, it is a vehicle where in this structure we are investing in different kind of securities. So that's why it is known as a financial vehicle. Next point for this, it is professionally managed. So this point is important for a mutual fund is because that mutual fund will be always managed by a investment manager. So that way, someone who is not knowledgeable about the mutual funds or not knowledgeable about the stock market also can achieve to the goal with the help of the investment manager. And also, mutual fund will have the NAV per unit, and the income, whatever is generated from the mutual fund, will be distributed based on the contribution of the investor. So what happens is income, there will be income into the mutual funds. Like let's say there will be interest, there will be dividends, sometimes there will be gains due to there is a sell happen. So all those cases, whenever there is the income generated in the mutual fund, after the expense is deducted, whatever is the money based on the structure of the mutual fund or the objective of the mutual fund, either it will be reinvested into the fund or it will be distributed among the investor. So these are the main points for the mutual fund. So today I will stop the video here. In my next video, I am going to discuss about the benefits of the mutual funds. Thank you very much. Keep watching.